Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wintry snowflake themed eye look. So this look is inspired by Makeup by Alina on Instagram, and I will have the picture that I'm going off of somewhere on the screen. And this look is just super pretty and I really wanted to try it out, so let's get started. So I did all of my face makeup, so except for my lips. So I just have to do my eyes. To start out, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm just applying this all over my lids to act as a primer. Then to blend that out even more, I'm using my beauty blender and just tapping that. So I'm using the James Charles X Morphe palette because I feel like when anyone does a colorful eye makeup look now, this is kind of just everyone's go-to. So I'm going to start out by going into the shade Playground, which is a light blue, and I'm just going to add this to my outer corners and drag it into my crease. I'm also just going to add this to my outer corners a little bit more, and I am sort of dragging this out a little bit because I'm going to draw some snowflakes over here and I want to have the snowflakes on top of some blue shadow. So now I'm going into the shade Brother, which is a little bit of a deeper blue, and I'm just going to add this to my outer corners. And I'm going into the shade Cola, which is the deepest matte blue shade in the palette, and I'm going to just lightly add some of this to my outer corners to really deepen it up. Going into this NYX white eyeshadow base, and I'm using a concealer brush. Just going to cut the inner half of my crease with this. I'm just using some white eyeshadow to set this base. And I'm going in with a angled blending brush, and I'm going back into the shade Playground and just softening up this edge here. Sort of bringing it in a little bit more, a little bit of the shade Brother, more so towards the top of my crease. Now that all of my blending and lids are done, I'm going to go back in with the shade Playground and apply that to my lower lash line. And then I'm going in the shade Brother. I'm going into the shade Hello, which is a light blue shimmery color, and I'm adding this to my inner corners. And then I'm adding the same shade to my brow bone. I am adding the shade Ring Light right over top. Actually going to also add this color to my inner corners. It makes the shade Hello pop a little bit more. I'm using a NYX white eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my crease with this. And then I'm fading it out towards the end. So now that the line is in my crease, I'm going to just add some snowflakes. I'm going to start by drawing the biggest one and then draw the two smaller ones. So now once the three little snowflakes are drawn, I am using the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid eyeshadows in the shade Diamond Dust, a silvery liquid eyeshadow, and I'm using a small pencil brush. I'm just going to add a dot of this glitter to the center of the snowflake. You can also use a little rhinestone if you have one, but I just don't have one that's this tiny. And then I'm just going to do the same thing for the other eye, and I'll be right back. So now that both eyes have some snowflakes, I'm just going to apply my Ardell Wispies. And I'm just using this NYX eyeliner in the shade Deep Blue, and I'm just adding this to my inner corner to help blend in my lashes with my actual lash line. I'm also applying this to my waterline. For mascara, I'm just using this one from Lancome. For lips, I'm using the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Birthday Suit. And then right over top, I'm using this gloss from Dose of Colors, and it's in the shade Barely There. So this is the finished look. so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. This look actually didn't take as long as I thought it was going to, and I really like the way that it turns out, so let me know what you guys think. I like to sort of switch it up every once in a while and not do a normal everyday makeup look or like a makeup look that you could wear for every day. I will have all of the products that I used in today's video listed down below in the description, and you guys can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. So definitely be sure to go check those out so that you can keep up with when I upload a new video. I hope you guys liked today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!